guys, so we're at the pool park, at the pool park, at the water park. So we're making our version of human centipede. Oh wait, are we going now? Oh, putus! Sakit guys, kena laga.
Crazy is perfect, shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you.
So we're here.
Kuman dito ya.
Balan mom lo.
Hey y'all. Welcome back to my vlog. Oh my god, ew. What the fuck is that? That's just the damn bloopers, bitch.
Kayak dia boleh like toot.
Yeah. Beep. Anyways, guys, we are here in where?
Borneo Tropical Rainforest.
Basically, we're in BTR. It's outside of Miri, like 45 minutes away. Yeah, 45 minutes away, and
Let's go.
Let's go. It's 45. I keep saying 45 minutes away. It's like 1 hour because the road is so bad. From Taman Tungku to the basically the whole road. But we're here. This is my friends. We're all chilling, and there's everybody.
Oh, dia.
Like, yeah. And that's the longest line. So I don't know, man. I just like. Welcome to my talk show. Okay. So, first things first, we're gonna tell you some news.
First things first, really?
I'm pregnant.
Yeah, she's pregnant.
With burger.
Yep, with burger, obviously. And some Cambodian child.
Oh yes.
And breaking news, I'll be going to KK next month. So, for like 1 week. Like chill. Like
aku belum ready loh. Mereka basah.
This is a week. It's a week, B. Untuk my final project, we have to be there.
Zaman pandemic.
Hi, I'm Roger.
Interview. Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Miri.
Yeah, where are you from? And
Are you single?
Of course I'm single.
nah, what's your
Call me,
nationality?
beat me if you wanna be.
Are you mixed UK?
Nama, what is your pronouns?
Yeah, what are your pronouns?
What do you like
She,
to
her,
listen to?
they, them, he, him, it's, Caesar,
It's
whatever.
My pronouns is King Roger.
Okay, so y'all
Your
be
Highness.
yeah.
Yeah.
Your Highness. So you guys be addressing Your Highness as Your Highness and nothing more. She's be drinking some tequila. I'm just kidding.
Long Island tea.
Yeah, it's Long Island tea. She be drunk. Ooh, she be drunk.
She be Sorry, we're Malaysian, you're American.
I'm a child of God. We don't drink
You want
that.
some tea?
We don't drink booze or what. We just drink wine, the blood of crab.
I don't even know what is blue.
Literally.
Water. Might have a bottle of water.
No, there's no water here.
I mean, we are nearby the water.
You want more waterfall?
So like we're closing in and we're gonna pack our stuff.
No, we're done
Like-
packing.
Oh my god, yeah, we are done. And yeah, this is the current situation. It's getting dark. So we're gonna go. See you in a bit. So we are heading to
Dinner.
the dinner place because my dumb ass forgot some stuff for the stove and now the stove is not working. So we are on our way to One Tree Hill Cafe or whatever the name is. But yeah, we'll see you guys there. Hey,
So welcome back. This is a day 2. So we're gonna to see a waterfall and then jungle trekking, I guess. But we're using slipper, so I hope things goes well.
Yep. So we're on our way to Kiam Waterfall. I'm kidding. Picture.
We're gonna see Nigeria fall.
Yes, Niagara. Nigeria Falls. Y'all on YouTube, say hi. So this is the water park. You make me hate the city. Let's go.
So that's it. We're sweating, like literally.
Germs everywhere around there.
I mean, there's pee everywhere. So that's not right.
So what's your opinion?
I thought like the waterfall was gonna be big because I walk all this way and suddenly I see, oh, we meet.
There's a lot better.
And also there's no landing point.
Yeah,
Where are we
you
gonna
can't even jump, you can't even dive.
I know. Okay.
I'm sorry. So there's a lot of
So yeah, there's a lot of people here. but we're not gonna swim
I guess.
because there's a lot of people. So we're gonna go back to the water park.
Behind me in the phantom. Never go, dip on the staycation. Run it back, tell her like this.
Tour guide, dan lo tour guide.
Ay, namahal pula ko.
Biasa laki belakang jaga semua orang dan murid.
Jaban lang jaga.
Yeah. Disappointed faces.
Mama may simeda waterfall niya. Tapi lah naik waterfall gila.
Mana yang kami mini waterfall?
Ah, yep.
Yeah. Aku tengok mai
Maybe water
ke.
fountain ga?
Aku tengok mai ke Niagara.
Aku nak fikir like, ya letak
Like so wow, terpaling.
tinggi apa? Is that a waterfall? That's it. I mean, there's the picture later on.
Y'all, so as you can see, all of us are clearly disappointed with the waterfall.
I mean, the water park is nicer than this.
Yeah, we expected the waterfall to be really, you know, like Niagara waterfalls at least. And La Mer waterfalls is better in terms of size and the view, you know, and the place where we can just sit and chill at a waterfall. Whew. So yeah, we're gonna go back to the water park, and
No one there, right? We can just sit there actually.
yeah,
Those people just kill out the vibe.
yeah, because as you can see, there's a lot of people at the waterfall, so we don't feel comfortable.
Yeah, we're going back to the water park again.
Yeah.
What is that?
Spider.
Jaw.
I don't know. Oh, that's spider.
Okay. Spider.
Whew,
Ambil
so
tu gambar badannya indik ku.
what's up you my hair? We're struggling to go up the stairs. Oh, we have another more stairs to complete. Fuck these stairs! I swear to God! Hurry! Hurry! Hurry up! To freedom! To freedom! So, we're in our hotel room. We're so tired!
Dying.
And fucking dying.
That's enough workout for a man.
Yeah, man. I'm taking a break for you.